Topic 1. Dell and Palantir join the S&P 500, boosting share prices. Dell and Palantir's stocks surged in after-hours trading following the announcement that they will be added to the S&P 500 index. Dell was a member of the S&P 500 until it became a private company in 2013 and went public again in 2018. Palantir went public in 2020 and reported profits starting in the fourth quarter of 2022. To be included in the S&P 500, companies must have recent quarterly and cumulative earnings over the last 4 quarters. Dell and Palantir have market capitalizations of over $7.2 billion and $6.7 billion, respectively. Meanwhile, Boeing's Starliner spacecraft is scheduled to return from the International Space Station, ISS, but has faced delays due to propulsion system issues. NASA's test pilots are expected to return to Earth via SpaceX's Dragon spacecraft in February next year. Starliner has been delayed multiple times to collect data on the propulsion system issues after spending about 3 months at the ISS. Topic 2. Electric trucks gain traction in the 100,000 market segment. Tesla, GM, Rivian, and Ford are creating a new market for high-priced electric pickup trucks over $100,000 in the US. The current electric trucks available include the Tesla Cybertruck, Ford F-150 Lightning, Rivian R1T, GM's GMC Hummer EV, GMC Sierra Denali, and Chevrolet Silverado. Approximately 58,000 of these electric trucks and SUVs were sold in the first half of this year, representing less than 1% of US new car sales, but a 35% increase quarter over quarter. Each vehicle has unique features. The Tesla Cybertruck boasts a distinctive design and technology, but lacks traditional pickup functionality. The GMC Hummer EV offers heavy build and rapid acceleration, but has lower efficiency and range. The Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra share similar components and features, excelling in range and fast charging, but lacking in efficiency. Rivian R1T and R1S focus on outdoor adventure, but fall short in charging speed and four-wheel steering. The Ford F-150 Lightning provides accessibility and a familiar driving experience, but has lower range and charging speed compared to competitors. This market is expected to continue growing, with each vehicle being handled differently. Topic 3. Federal Reserve Governor Waller advocates for interest rate cuts. Federal Reserve Governor Christopher Waller has indicated that it may be time to lower the federal funds rate target range in light of recent labor market slowdowns and inflation progress. He mentioned that if the labor market deteriorates faster than expected, a more significant rate cut may be necessary, increasing the chances of a soft landing for the economy. While he did not specify the magnitude or frequency of potential cuts, he anticipates that multiple rate reductions may be appropriate as inflation approaches the central bank's 2% target. His comments suggest that a rate cut could occur at the upcoming Federal Open Market Committee meeting on September 7 to 18th, with markets now expecting a 0.25% cut in September and possibly more aggressive cuts in November and December. Topic 4. China's foreign exchange reserves increased by 0.98% in August. China's foreign exchange reserves rose to $3.2882 trillion at the end of August, an increase of $31.8 billion from the end of July. This marks the 9th consecutive month of maintaining reserves above $3.2 trillion, driven by a decline in the US dollar index and rising global financial asset prices due to macroeconomic data and monetary policy expectations from major economies. China's economic operations remain stable, supporting the long-term growth trend and the stability of its foreign exchange reserves. Topic 5. Boeing's Starliner returns to Earth, behind schedule. Boeing's Starliner spacecraft has successfully separated from the ISS and returned to Earth. Originally planned for a 9-day mission, Starliner spent about 3 months at the ISS due to propulsion system issues that delayed its return. As a result, the spacecraft